Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel for another video if you're returning. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Tasha, and in today's video I wanted to explore the question of, are Chanel bags even worth the hype? Now, as a Chanel bag mom, I wanted to share my perspective on this as well as do a size comparison. I've got the Chanel medium classic flap, and then I've also got the mini rectangle classic flap as well. But before we get into the size comparison, let's explore the question of, are they overhyped? So to me, in my humble opinion, I would say yes, the Chanel bags are overhyped. However, so are many other luxury handbags. To me, I look at Chanel and all of my other luxury handbags as investment pieces. When it comes to luxury handbags, there are certain brands that will hold their value a lot more than others. So for example, top three would be Hermes, Chanel and Louis Vuitton. Those three are, from what I've witnessed, brands that hold their value over time. Some people invest in tangible or digital art. Some people invest in limited edition sneakers, first edition books. They all come at different price points. My choice of investment is handbags, because for me, they are practical in the sense that I can wear the handbags, look cute in the handbags. I can either pass them down to any of my future children or my sisters, nieces and nephews, with the knowledge that what I'm passing down holds value. You know, hard times were to ever come, I could sell this bag and get what I paid for it, or depending on the season and the market, a little bit more than what I paid for it. So that is where I stand when it comes to, are the bags overhyped? And of course, while there are no guarantees when it comes to investing in anything for that matter, the right Chanel bag can often appreciate in value, making it a worthwhile investment in my opinion. Chanel typically increases their prices twice a year, in March and in September. As we're entering into April, I believe a price increase has already taken place, but I am not 100% sure on the current price as it stands in terms of the classic collection. However, so far as it stands, year on year, Chanel bags have typically increased in price 10 to 15%. With that in mind, let's get into the Chanel bags that are in my collection and do a size comparison. So you guys have already seen this bag because I've done a separate video on it. I'll insert a video right here, but this is the Chanel mini rectangle bag and I absolutely adore this bag. It's in the lambskin leather and it's in this beautiful emerald green color. You guys, this color is more vibrant in person because right now it's coming across a little bit washed out in the viewfinder. But in essence, this bag is part of the classic bag collection and this is the mini rectangle size. The dimensions I will insert right here so that you guys have a visual on screen. When I wear the bag on my shoulder, it hits me just around my hips. It's not really my preferred style of wearing my bags. I'm more of a shoulder bag kind of a girly, or if I'm wearing it crossbody, I want it to sit a little bit more on my mid, so just above my hips as opposed to below my hips, if that makes sense. So one thing that you can do with the bag is you can interloop the chain to make it a little bit shorter, and then that way I can wear it as a mini handbag kind of style, which I really like. Now, in terms of the space, I will show you guys what fits in each of these bags, but let me put this down and show you the medium classic flap. So in terms of the medium classic flap, it comes in this beautiful white dust bag and I just keep it in here as well just for storage. What I love about this bag is the size. The size is a lot more practical than the mini rectangle, and I'll show you guys what actually fits inside here in just a minute. My medium bag is in the caviar leather, so it's the more grainy leather, which is more durable, which is a pro. I love that it comes in the silver hardware, so I've got a little bit of contrast. The green bag has gold hardware and this one has silver, and when I wear the bag I don't feel like it washes me out or anything. This bag also has a double flap and it has a zip at the top, and also the storage is a lot more than the smaller bag. If we're looking at them from this angle, this bag is clearly a little bit bigger than this one. And if I show you guys a little bit of what fits inside. In the mini rectangle, I have this insert in here that I can fill with almost everything that I would need. So I can definitely fit my AirPods, lip gloss, pack of tissues maybe, I can't fit my phone in here, but it doesn't bother me too much because I can just carry my phone. I can also fit my pressed powder and a makeup brush for any touch-ups. So to me, that is perfect, and it fits perfectly inside the bag, and the bag is able to close with no issues. When it comes to the medium size, I can fit a lot more. I can fit a packet of tissues, my AirPods, same pressed powder from NARS, my makeup brush. I can also fit a packet of tissues. I can actually fit my mobile phone in there if I really wanted to put it inside. So all in all, I would say that both of these bags are practical. This one is not mini to the point where it's impractical. It's mini with a purpose. You know, it just looks good every day. This is perfect for daytime. It's so playful. The color is very spring and summer. So I really can't wait to pull her out more often and really get my cost per wear out of her. If I'm to shorten the length of the straps, I can definitely wear this as a mini clutch for nighttime. The medium flap is perfect for daytime, running errands. I have worn this on a couple of occasions for an evening as a handbag. I feel like it's not doing too much. One of my favorite creators, Melissa's Wardrobe, last year, she mentioned bringing back clutches. She saw the girls out here wearing their huge tote bags and big handbags to dinner, and she just felt like, you know, we should be wearing more elegant, more smaller clutches and nighttime bags for those occasions, and I agree. However, with that in mind, I do still feel like this is a gorgeous bag that can be worn for dinner. So overall, whilst the exact color and style of the Chanel bag will determine the overall value over time, Chanel bag prices in the resale market have consistently increased alongside the actual retail prices, making it a worthwhile investment. And the demand for Chanel classic bags have remained strong over the past couple of years with no signs of slowing down. So let me know what your thoughts are on the topic of, are Chanel bags overhyped? Let's talk down in the comments, and thank you guys so much for watching all the way until the end. Give your girl a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, of course. Subscribe if you've not subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.